Do you know what's more difficult to use than a 2006 MacBook with an SSD? One without an SSD. Yes, what we're going to do today is we're going to take our lovely SSD out of our 2006 MacBook and install Linux. Oh dear.
TechMW.
Well, based on our last Linux experience on a certain iMac G3, I'm feeling very confident in our abilities to use Linux. And I'm sure this is going to be really, really fun. Yay. So we're going to let's just do that without pulling the entire shelf off. You may have noticed M1 iMac in orange. Oh yes, what a glorious colour. You may have noticed M1 MacBook Pro, space grey, marvellous colour. Oh yes, I'll go into a bit more depth into like why I obtained these in another video. Focus of today's video is the 2006 MacBook. So let's tear this SSD out of it. Grab my screwdriver. There we go. All right, we've got to get these awful screws out, but that's okay. Fear not. We have the ultimate screwdriver set. So it will be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's what I say. We got these screws. You know what? I'm not even gonna actually like pop these on. It is genuinely just a faff to pop this on and take it off, and it just gets in the way. Thank you very much. Did I leave a tab? Yes, I... What? Hang about. What? This already has a hard drive in it. Why does this already have a hard drive in it? I'm sure we did like this on an SSD, no? Well, that makes it easier because now I don't have to find another one. All right, let's flip this over. We're gonna need to grab a charger as well, obviously, because we got no working battery because every A1181 has a dead battery. We're gonna have to explore the... Oh, I ripped the bin, by the way. Yeah, so I have to just kind of go... Oh my gosh. I thought I tidied this up. What is this? I can't see any charges in here whatsoever for Macs. There is nothing. Where? Look, that's the only MacBook thing I can find. It's a mini DVI thingy-majiggy cable. I found the end of a... Oh, hello. Woo! No! Alright, I'm just gonna move that with my legs. Oh dear, I just pushed myself back. Ignore the rip cheese. Why? What is going on with the laws of physics that's making this not move? Oh yes. Charger, and charger. Let us plug this in down here. This is for the landline phone. We don't need that. Don't worry about that. Just shove that in there. I did hoover the carpet, by the way. That's grim. I don't know why that's even there. All right. Plug this in. I'm going to hold the Alt key. We've got a chime, that's good. I've kind of forgotten how I set this up. We've got Macintosh HD, Macintosh HD 2. I'm going to put it into Macintosh HD, Tiger. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to nuke the Macintosh HD 2, whatever that is, and then we're going to install Linux on that, hopefully. Surprisingly, this is like the only time I've ever seen it get the clock right. It is actually Wednesday, and it is actually 12:05. Wow, that is amazing. Let's partition the drive. Can we? We can't delete it. One partition? No, we can't do it. Oh, okay, but you know what we can do? We can erase the other one. We'll erase that as Bloib, and then that'll be immediately recognizable. Really? I've never seen it ask for a password before. So we've now got Macintosh, HD, and Bloib. All right, well, that did it nice and quick. Okay, now we're gonna go into restart. Hey, hold the Alt key. Smackaroonie, the Alt key. Oh yeah. Hold that. And what we should get... Okay, cool. Ubuntu 17.0, 32-bit. Wow. Oh. All right, that was actually quite hard to put in, but okay. Hopefully, our drive will show up. Oh, hello. Ignore the horrible fingerprints on the screen. I do look after my stuff, I promise. It just must be the amount of times I grabbed it out of the thingy-majiggy. Oh, hello. What do we got? A person going, hey. I don't know what this is. What is this? My keyboard's not accepting input. My trackpad's not accepting input. The screen is now showing a blinking cursor. That's not a good sign. All right, okay. This is not the normal TechMW way. MacBook rechargeable battery. No. I deliberately bought a more solid desk so that you know, I can drop things on it and it doesn't just scratch all the time. That was the problem with the other one. This thing can take a pounding. So yeah, not that I'm going to test that, obviously, because I don't want to like destroy my desk, but yeah. I was not aware that you could try Ubuntu. I mean, it would be horribly slow if it's running off the DVD, but it's a thing. Erase disk and install it, but no. Something else. Give me something else. This one? Yes. Install on that one. I'm assuming it's going to be that one. You know what? I'm going to erase this completely. There we go. We've got loads of free space. No root file system is defined. I know what I'm doing, guys. I really do. I pressed some buttons and now it's working. So, you know, that's all right. Your name. Loib MacBook. It knows it's a MacBook. Fair enough. Creating ext4 file system /in partition #34c SCSI 3010 SDA. Yeah, I know all about that stuff. I'm a Linux expert. I'm the physical embodiment of Linux. Would you look at that? Installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. Nice. Macintosh HD, and it thinks it's Windows, which is fair enough. Booting into Linux. Please work. Please work. I mean, it did take a little bit of time before, didn't it? It just goes into Tiger. That's a problem. That would be a problem. All right. Let's see what we've got in our boot options in here. It's not even showing it as an option. Well, that didn't happen before, did it? I am not a Linux expert in any means. Oh, hello. Bloib password. What was it? 1234. And now we wait about an hour. Hey. Hello. I don't care about the keyboard shortcuts. What have we got? We've got an actual Ubuntu desktop. Wow. How fast is it? Not very. This looks a lot like the macOS settings screen. Like, a lot like it. We're on the Ubuntu start page. Let's type in the YouTube address for TechMW. That is my YouTube handle. I've typed in. Before you continue to YouTube, is it going to tell me to update my browser? A web page is slowing down your browser. That's fine. Is it going to work? Oh! I don't know why it's duplicated, but okay, now it's triplicated. No. Oh my gosh. There ain't no way. Okay, it's horribly slow. Oh, this isn't good. MacBook, which is currently in the shelf over there, but this time we're going to be focusing on the 2006 debugging tool. All right, you know what? Let's close out of Firefox. Let's just give up on Firefox for now. What else have we got on here? We can search our computer. Oh, very nice. Kind of reminiscent of macOS, but also like blended with Windows, kind of a little bit. What have we got? We've got LibreOffice. LibreOffice. No? I don't know. Why is it now transparent? Really? Oh, okay. Oh, no, we're good. All right. Okay. Oh, hello. It went full screen just like that. Can I type a TechMW script on here? Hiss is a video. Yippee. Let's have a look at our Ubuntu software suite and see what we can get. Software catalog is being downloaded. Games? Wasn't quite what I was expecting, but okay, that's fine. Can we get Minecraft on this? I tell you what though, considering Ubuntu's free, this is actually pretty cool. Can we look up my film? The Resurgence. Extended Director's Cut. Please update your browser. It wasn't saying that before. All right, let's just ignore that. Look, I think we have achieved quite a lot here. We are... Diary of a Wimpy Kid. We are using Linux on a 2006 MacBook. That is pretty cool. Like, this is Ubuntu. Now, I have no idea how old this version is, but it's okay. Like, it's probably more usable than macOS would be, like on Snow Leopard. So take from that what you will. If you have an old 2006 MacBook, it might be worth installing Ubuntu Linux or maybe a different version of Linux and seeing if it works, because I genuinely think this operating system has made this machine like quite a bit more usable. So I am more than happy to try this on some other Macs if you would like to see. If you want to see me try this on the 2006 iMac once I've done all the Vista-y stuff, please let me know. But anyway, thank you very much for watching this one. If you enjoyed this one, please do consider leaving it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. And also, don't forget to join the TechMW Discord. It's in the description below. It's a great place to hang out. I'm always on there, chatting away, because I always talk. I can never stop talking. Yeah. So, yeah. Thanks very much, everyone. And I will see you in the next adventure.